welcome back to my channel. Today I have some messy cleaning motivation for you. We took the weekend off, we went boating. If you can't tell by my sunburned face, we had a great time on the boat. It was a blast, and today I am paying for it by being sunburned and also everything I need to take care of. So come along with me and you can tackle your to-do list as I get through this messy house clean.
Last night we had something, tonight I'll be guessing, but I don't really have a case. You don't have to mention, you just like their attention. It's written all over your face. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, reading old messages on my phone every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. You knocked on my window and slept on my pillow, then said you had found your place. Not sure if I want this. You don't think that I notice. This isn't like giving you space. I don't wanna play the quiet type when I'm near you, pretending that I don't know who you are every time I see you. Tell me, is this part of an act just to keep your image intact? If you think that strategy smart, I'm not gonna defend my beating heart. Defend my beating heart. once you're down, you think you'll never get up, never get up. Ooh, when we love, we think we'll never break up, never break up. Ooh, but we break up and make up, get down and get up, break up and make up, get down and get up. Did